Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Luxury Listing Specialist designation, author of the book, Luxury Listing Specialist, and Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. This video is a tip for you to produce content or just good information to one of your home sellers that is perhaps thinking about having an estate sale, a garage sale, donating items, and giving them some suggestions, giving them some tips, giving them a coding system that will make their life easier and more organized. You'll see a picture come across of this checklist that a client of mine recently put together with some of the things that we had talked about, whether they donate, give it to a loved one, bring it to their lake house. So the first color you'll see at the top is red. Red means it's staying with them as they're downsizing. Blue means they had a lake house. Blue was going to the lake house, but blue to you could be, hey, giving to my son, my daughter, another family member. It's spoken to. That's what blue meant. Then there, of course, orange. Orange was, I'm not sure what we're going to do with it yet. The next was yellow. This would make me happy as a homeowner, giving it to another family that will enjoy it as much as we do. So again, making yellow for smiley face, yellow happy, give it to somebody, just donate it to somebody, but you know that you know somebody that they're going to use it. That's what yellow is. And green is goodbye. We're going to sell it at an estate sale, a garage sale. That's what green is. This is an example for you. I hope this is helpful. If this is valuable, please leave us a like, leave us a review. And we just announced one-on-one coaching. We've coached a lot of agents through the years, but never through a formal program where we've really put it out there. It's very limited. If you're interested, reach out, luxurylistingspecialist.com/consultation. My name is Michael LaFido. Make it a great day.